The Winia French door refrigerator offers a spacious 26.1 cubic feet of storage, giving you more than enough room for all your groceries and essentials. Before making a purchase, we recommend you to check the best price in the description below. It comes with a variety of features designed to make your life easier and your kitchen more organized. One of the standout features is the factory-installed ice maker. This built-in ice maker produces 1.7 pounds of ice per day, so you never have to worry about running out of ice for your drinks. Whether you're hosting a party or just want to chill your favorite beverages, the ice maker is always ready to serve. Another useful feature is the full-width Gourmet Pantry Drawer. This drawer is perfect for storing large platters, deli trays, and charcuterie boards, making it ideal for large gatherings or special occasions. The drawer's full-width design ensures you can fit larger items that wouldn't fit in standard compartments, helping you keep your fridge organized. For dairy lovers, the dairy shelf is a must-have. It's designed to store dairy items at the perfect temperature to keep them spreadable and fresh. The clear cover on this shelf allows you to easily see what you have on hand, making it simple to grab what you need without having to search. The gallon-sized door bins are another practical feature. These deep, clear bins give you extra storage space for large bottles, jugs, or containers. This helps free up space on the main shelves, giving you more flexibility to store other items. Whether it's milk, juice, or any other gallon-sized item, these bins have you covered. The refrigerator is also equipped with energy-efficient LED lighting, which casts a warm, natural glow inside, allowing you to easily spot what you're looking for, even in the dark corners. Not only does this help you see better, but it also reduces your energy consumption, helping you save on electricity bills. Lastly, the automatic defrost system ensures that your refrigerator remains frost-free without the need for manual defrosting. This means less maintenance for you and more time spent enjoying your food and drinks. The Winia WRFS26ABTD French door refrigerator is a perfect blend of style, convenience, and functionality. With its spacious capacity, built-in ice maker, and other thoughtful features, it's a great choice for any modern kitchen. Plus, with energy-saving LED lighting and automatic defrosting, you can rest assured that this fridge will serve you well for years to come. Make sure to check out the best price for this model in the description below before finalizing your purchase.